Looking for best deals on Temu? Coupon codes are your secret weapon to save big. But where do you find them? In this guide, I'll reveal the ways to discover discounts and coupon codes to maximize your savings. Let's jump in. First, open your Temu app. In your homepage, click Profile. At the top right corner, you can see the coupons and offers. Tap. Now, in this section, you can enter your coupon code. At the center, you can see the list of used codes, and here you can see the expired codes. You can also find Temu codes on web browser by searching Temu coupons. Now, you can also get Temu coupons from different websites. For example, this one, Groupon. So in here, just select a code you wanted and tap. So here you are able to view the code and just copy the code and paste it in your demo app and click apply. Now, since the code is invalid, you can always look for the newest one in different websites. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.